So we just picked up the MageGee Mechanical Gaming Keyboard for my son. He is just starting to transition from just gaming off of the television to gaming on a desktop setup here. So this is the keyboard that he picked out. And it's a really good keyboard. It's got a lot of weight to it, so it's a little bit heavy, and it's going to be stable on your countertop or on the mouse pad. It actually comes with a couple of different switches. So depending on how you want it to sit on the desktop, you can have it so it's a little bit higher, or you can also have it where it's a little bit lower for the other side. 2 levels there, depending on how you want your angle to be, or you can have it completely flat as well. It is a light up gaming keyboard, so it has some fun functions as far as that goes. And my son has been really enjoying it. It's really been a huge plus for him. Ours also came with some additional colored keys that you can switch out. He's kept the blue and the white on, but you could change it to purple if you wanted to. And it comes with this tool to be able to help you to easily take out the keyboards, to easily take out the keys and switch them to a different color if that's what you prefer. But these are the options that it comes with.